atomic batteries to power, turbines to speed. We have a dove in the cab of the boat, and he can't figure out how to get out. I open the window over there. Go over there. Go out. You can get out there. Go on out. Go. Goodbye. Halloween will be here soon. All the spooks are coming out to haunt us, frighten us, and thrill us. Happy Halloween, coming soon. Just eat it, will ya? Please just eat it. Stop flinging it all over the yard like that. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. Every Tuesday at noon we put out a new video about Cocoa Beach boating, fishing, and life here in general. Also, if you want to move here, I am a real estate broker here. We own Happy House Real Estate. Contact us and we'll set you up in one of these beautiful waterfront houses. Thanks.